everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a right square pyramid. Since it is a square, that means if this is 12, this will also be, 12. Okay, next, we are supposed to find the height, VP, which is around here. And we are also given volume. All right. So for part A, all right. So the volume is 384. So 1 over 3 times my base area, which is 12 times 12. This is my base area times the height VP. This will be equals to 384. So from here, I will then be able to get my VP easily because I just need my 384 dividing by my 1/3 and dividing by my 12 times 12. This will then give me a value of 8. Now for part B, find the total surface area of this particular pyramid. Then let's go over to here, part B. Well, then I will have to get your attention to this green color triangle here. Then I'm going to highlight. Okay, which will be triangle VPQ. Okay, triangle VPQ. So my part B is written here. V, P, and Q. Okay, so I already gotten 8 cm from part A. What do you think PQ is? Yes, 12 divided by 2. Okay, this will be equals to 6 because it is at the middle. And from here, since this is a right angle triangle, I'm going to apply my Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so VQ will be equals to the square root of 8 square plus 6 square. And this will give me a value of 10. Okay, so now I know this is 10. Now I wish to draw your attention to this purple color triangle, which I'm going to draw out as well. V, B, C. Because from here, I will have gotten this 10, which is the right angle here. I will also know that this length here is 12. So therefore, the area of one purple right triangle is simply half time base time height. Yeah. So I will have the total surface area. Later on, you will see Mr. Tan doing this. I would have my base, 12 times 12. This is my base area. The square base. This one must add. Half times base times height. This is for one triangle. But how many are there? Yes, there are 4 of them. So I will have to multiply by 4. This is for the 4 triangle, triangular, lateral faces. Okay, 4 triangle. So that the final answer, you can simply key into your calculator and that will give me 384 cm square. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.